So today, I'll show you how to turn Arachnophobia mode on and off in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So arachnophobia basically is the fear of spiders. And when you play Call of Duty Black Ops 6, especially the zombie mode, you'll encounter these creepy spiders. So if you'd like to change those spiders to be in a more friendly variant, you can change these settings within the game. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console. Then you'll get to this homepage. Then select Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to launch that particular game. And then from here, press the options button on your controller to reveal these settings or this menu. And then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon to show all the settings. So within the settings, scroll down and select graphics. And then from here, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the view category. So within the view category, scroll down and you'll find the Arachnophobia mode option. So to enable it, simply toggle it on, and to disable it, simply turn it off. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable this feature. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.